Hello guys! Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-solve ng slope ng isang tangent line. So, we have here a question. Given the f of x is equals to x squared, find the slope of a tangent line at point -1, 3. So, ang una natin gagawin para makuha ang slope ay hanapin natin ang derivatives ng ating function. So, sa pagkuha ng slope is may ginagamit tayong formula, which is the limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So, isa-substitute lamang natin dito sa formula na to ang ating function. So, from this, atin na itong i-substitute. Ngayon, atin ang na-substitute ang value ng ating function. Atin naman itong i-simplify. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano isolve ng dahan-dahan ang mga naka-squared. So, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. Now, i-multiply lang muna natin ang outer, which is x times x, magiging x squared, plus x times delta x, which is x delta x, plus delta x times x, which is x delta x, plus delta x times delta x, which is delta x squared. Ngayon, gagawin na lang natin ay i-combine ang like terms. So, x squared will be cancelled. Samahin lang natin to. Maging 2 delta x plus delta x squared over delta x. Ngayon, hindi natin to pwede makancel agad. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-factor out natin ang delta x sa numerator. So, magiging delta x times 2x plus delta x. Ngayon, pwede natin ito makancel. So, ang natira is 2x plus delta x. Pero, since our limit of delta x is approaching 0, this value will be equal to 0, which is 2x plus 0 or 2x na lang. So, 2x is the derivative of our function. Since nakita natin ang derivatives ng ating function, ay atin ang kunin ang value ng slope. We're just going to substitute the value of x. So, sa problem, ay hanapin natin ang tangent line at point -1 and 3. So, i-substitute lamang natin ang value ng -1. So, 2x magiging 2 times -1 equals to -2. So, the slope of our tangent line at point -1, 3 is equals to -2. So, yun lang guys. Napakadali, diba? Antayin natin ang next video sa mga paparating pang bagong lesson.